we're going to go on to the next slide. Lesson connection. Please read our lesson connection out loud. Giovanni.
Whether or not you believe it was fair, Jem had to take responsibility for what he had done and accept the punishment. Today we will be writing an essay that asks us to mediate on whether or not taking responsibilities for our actions is important.
Thank you very much. Vamos a OneNote. You have a written composition essay, expository, meaning you're explaining something. Read the information in the box below. Go ahead and read the information first, Elizabeth, please.
On your pod?
Or on your OneNote. It's the same thing.
Okay. You must take personal responsibility. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind. You can change, but you can change yourself. That is something you have to change. You have
Charge of.
Jim, Ron.
Thank you very much. It says, think carefully about the following statement. Taking responsibility for your actions is often seen as a valuable and respectful trait. Write an essay explaining why it is important for a person to take responsibility for their actions. Now, it says, what is the prompt asking us to write about? No, it says insert prompt here. My bad. Insert prompt here. Now you guys are going to copy and paste where it says write an essay explaining why it's important for a person, Where it says insert prompt here, copy and paste that part inside of the insert prompt here box. So insert prompt here, copy and paste, write an essay explaining why it's important. Give you a couple seconds to do that. Now, it says, what is the prompt asking you to write about? Where it says that, you are going to rewrite the prompt in your own words. And I'm going to give you a couple seconds to rewrite the prompt in your own words. Turn the prompt into a question. How can we turn this prompt into a question? And go ahead and drop it in the chat. How can you turn this prompt into a question? Drop it in the chat. How can you turn this prompt into a question? Hold on, guys. I'm going to help. This baby from second period. That's one way. Yes, Beth. Okay, what's another way? Nyla, drop your response in the chat. And who is this child? Jocelyn Robles? Jocelyn, yours should be there now. You should see it now. Now you're going to say, what do you know about this topic? What do you know about this topic? I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes to jot down everything you know about this topic. Everything you know about taking responsibility. Now that you have jotted down everything that you know about this topic, you are now going to write your topic sentence. All right. Escuche. Your topic sentence will look like this. It is important to take responsibility. Well, I can't see it. It is important to take responsibility for your actions. And then there's a because in the middle. So, let me screenshot it. Your topic sentence will start out with, it is important to take responsibility for your actions. That's the first part of your topic sentence. Then, I spelled responsibility wrong. Then you are going to give 2 reasons that support your claim. So your 2 reasons will go inside of the second box or the third box. I'm going to give you all another minute, or I'm going to give you 2 minutes to come up with your 2 reasons. Now I am going to walk you through the next step. You are going to give examples of reasons why it is important for people to take responsibility for their actions. Those examples can come from history, experiences in your life, books that you read, or pop culture. And pop culture could be TV, music, entertainment, anything like that. Now, an example of how you can give your details and your evidence would be, one time I forgot to wake up my little sister for school to do her work, and I got in trouble for it because I lied. If I had taken responsibility, blah, 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 blah. Or one time I broke my mom's new vacuum cleaner that she told me not to touch, and I told the truth, and this is what happened. So those are experiences from your real life. You can also give examples from a TV show, music, and entertainment. You can give examples from books that you've read. You can give examples from history. My favorite rapper made a mistake and did da-da-da-da-da, and he took responsibility for his actions, and da-da-da-da-da-da happened because of it. Or he did not take responsibility, so da-da-da-da happened because of it. Okay, that's evidence for your topic sentence. Then, when you scroll down, and I'm going to share my screen, when you scroll down, it says use this pre-writing page to plan your composition. You are going to give the topic, which is responsibility, and a thesis statement. Your thesis statement is your claim plus your reasons. So it is important to take responsibility for your actions because, and then your reasons go here. So I am going to give you all the next 6 minutes to complete your evidence, and to have your topic and your thesis statement written on your handout. So that means in the next 6 minutes, your reason should have already been here. So your evidence should be here. And you just need to have 2. And then your topic here and your thesis statement here. And I'm going to leave this on the screen so you know what it needs to look like. And then we'll come back in 6 minutes. All right, so the next part says general statement or hook. You guys may not know what that is, but basically, if you guys are ever watching a movie and they start the movie off like, you might be wondering how I got here. It all happened on this one Saturday night. Like, that's an example of a hook. For an expository essay like this, a hook will be something like, it's important. Sometimes taking responsibility might cause people to blah, 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 blah. And if you blah, 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 it's important to take responsibility because, and then give your 2 reasons, that would be your claim. So the hook is when you just introduce the reader to what you're going to talk about in some kind of cool and interesting way. It just grabs the reader's attention. You guys do not have to create a hook. It does make your writing more interesting to read, though. You can start off with an essay with "It's important to take responsibility for your actions because," or you can start off with a hook to grab the reader's attention, like taking responsibility might blah 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 blah. Like, it's almost like a commercial. When you guys watch a commercial, they always start with something to grab your attention, and then they tell you, if you have da 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 da, then buy XYZ product. So you don't have to do the hook, but it does grab people's attention. Okay, so then you go into your topic sentence, which is the first paragraph 2, which is the first reason you chose. So if your 2 reasons